Hey there, love detectives. Have you ever been out and about minding your own business when suddenly a gorgeous human being throws your way a smile that could melt glaciers? Your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, and your brain goes into full-on short-circuit mode. Was that a flirt? Well, fear not, fellow detectives, because today, the Mind Detective is cracking the code of flirtation. We're about to equip you with 7 super spy-worthy hacks to not only decipher her signals, but also turn those initial sparks into a full-blown inferno of connection. Hack number 1. Become a body language bonanza. Okay, so we established body language is a goldmine for flirting intel. But how do you actually decipher it? Here's the advanced course. The lean in. This is a classic sign of interest. When she leans in closer as you speak, it shows she's engaged and wants to hear more. Fire back with a subtle lean of your own to create a sense of connection. Mirroring. Does she unconsciously mimic your posture or gestures? This is a subconscious way of building rapport and showing she's in sync with you. Pay attention and subtly mirror her back to amplify the connection. Footwork focus. Her feet can tell a story too. If they're pointed towards you, that's a good sign. If they're fidgety or pointed away, it might mean she's nervous or wants to leave. Hack number 2. Flirt back. Playfully, that is. You've mastered the playful jab, but let's take it up a notch. The witty retort. She compliments your shoes? Don't just say, thanks. Respond with something like, thanks, I had to get them. They practically whispered my name from across the store. Keep it light and show you can banter. The playful tease. Maybe she asks a question you playfully dodge. That's a secret for another time. With a wink adds a touch of mystery and keeps her intrigued. Remember, detective, always read the room and adjust your flirting style accordingly. If she seems overwhelmed, dial it back. Hack number 3. Confidence is key. Confidence shines brighter than any pickup line. But how do you build genuine confidence that attracts like a magnet? Focus on your passions. When you talk about things you're passionate about, your eyes light up, and your enthusiasm is contagious. Pursue hobbies that ignite your spark. Embrace your quirks. We all have them. Owning your unique qualities shows you're comfortable in your own skin, which is incredibly attractive. Practice makes progress. Feeling awkward? Practice flirting with friends or even cashiers at the store. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become. Hack number 4. Ask her questions, not just about the weather. Okay, the weather question is a conversation killer. Here's how to ask questions that spark genuine connection. Dig deeper. She mentions she loves hiking? Ask about her favorite trails or what she finds most rewarding about it. This shows you're interested in what truly makes her tick. Active listening. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Listen attentively to her answers and ask follow-up questions to show you're present and engaged. Share your story. 2. This creates a two-way street. When she shares a passion, find a relevant experience of your own to connect and build rapport. Hack number 5. Compliment her beyond the obvious. We all appreciate a compliment, but true connection comes from seeing the real her. Notice the details. Did she mention she volunteers at an animal shelter? Compliment her compassion and her desire to make a difference. Observe her passion. Is she explaining a painting with infectious enthusiasm? Tell her you appreciate her passion for art and her insightful perspective. By paying attention to the details, you'll show her you see more than just a pretty face. Hack number 6. Plant the seeds for the future. Don't be afraid to take initiative. Here's how to suggest a future interaction smoothly. Find common ground. Maybe you both mentioned loving that new coffee shop downtown. Casually suggest grabbing coffee there sometime. Event invitation. Did she mention an upcoming art exhibit? Suggest you both check it out together. Keep it casual and open-ended. The maybe next time ploy. If time is tight, you can plant a seed for the future with something like, there's this cool new comedy club I've been wanting to try. Maybe next time? Remember, detective, this doesn't have to be a formal date invitation. It's about keeping the momentum going and showing your interest in seeing her again. Hack number 7. End on a high note. Leave her wanting more. You've had a great conversation. The connection is there. But how do you leave her wanting more? Express your enjoyment. Tell her you genuinely enjoyed talking to her. Be sincere and specific. The playful goodbye. A light-hearted goodbye with a hint of flirt keeps the butterflies fluttering. Maybe a wink or a playful, "See you around, detective?" Leave them hanging. A little. Don't overstay your welcome. If the conversation is flowing, it's okay to end it on a high note and leave her wanting more. So there you have it, love detectives. With these 7 flirtation hacks, you'll be a master decoder of her signals and well on your way to turning those sparks into a flame. Remember, confidence is key. Keep it light and playful, and always be respectful. Now get out there and flirt like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content from the Mind Detective channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay flirty,